Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video I made some coconut oil, so I'm going to show you how I made this. Let's get started. Here I've got some coconuts. So what I'm going to do next is to break these coconuts and bring out the flesh. And here we have it. I'll go ahead now and cut them into tiny bits because we are going to blend this, and this will enable the blender to blend it very well without much problem. So I'll cut them into pieces like this, wash them, and then we blend it. I've sliced the whole coconut into smaller sizes like this, and I've also washed it thoroughly. So the next we're going to do now is to put in the blender and blend. I'm going to blend it batch by batch. I'm not blending all at the same time. I'll just put into the blender, add some water, and blend until smooth. I'm done blending this. Now it is time to extract the milk. I will go ahead and blend the remaining coconut and also extract the milk. And this is all the milk we got from the coconut. It is this milk now that will transfer to coconut oil. You can either cook it like this, or you do the next step, which is keeping this in the fridge or freezer for about 3 to 4 hours. The water will separate from the milk, and then we scoop the milk. This has been sitting in the freezer now for about 4 hours, and the milk has separated from the water. You can see the difference there. The milk is on top while the water is settled at the bottom. So the next thing I'm going to do is to scoop out the milk into the pot, and start cooking. I will continue to cook and stir it until we get the coconut oil. This milk will later boil down, and then what will remain in the pot will be the oil. Keep watching. At this stage, we have the oil, but as it's boiling, it's splashing all over, and that is because there is water in it. Keep cooking until there are no more splashes. Once the splashes stop, you know that you now have the coconut oil there. Yes, here I now have the coconut oil, but this is not the color I'm looking for. I want a kind of golden color, so I'll keep cooking it until I get that brown golden color. I'm okay with this color now, so I'll take it out from the stove and sieve it out into a plate. Keep watching, we've not ended. And here we have our coconut oil. I enjoyed making this. I hope you enjoyed watching also. Thank you all for staying with me. And if you are new here, you are highly welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also share it. Until I see you again, remain blessed. Bye.